Hi guys, let me show you 3 ways in which you can power clip your image using Coreldraw. So first thing is you have your frame. So depending on the size of the frame you want to use, and this is the image here. The first step I'm going to tell you is firstly using your right click on your mouse with your mouse. So then you drag the picture image on the frame which you want to power clip, then you're going to see power clip inside here. So also you can right click again, then you can edit your content power clip here. As you can see, maybe you want to adjust anything here, so maybe you want to adjust, okay. So again, right click, then you can finish here. So also if you right click, you can see fit content. So you want to fit it to center, proportion, you want it to be at the center, you want it to be fill proportionally, stretched fill, can you see? So which your picture is going to be full. So and also you can extract your picture, you can extract your image. So maybe if you don't need it again on the frame, then just click on extract. Yeah, cool. So the other step is using, let me remove the frame. So the other step is you can click on the image here, so which you want to you want to put inside the frame. Then when you right click on it, then you can see power clip inside. So you can have as much as possible frame, so just click on the inside of the frame in which you want to power clip on. So when you click here, it has already power clip on the frame, as you can see. So you can easily come here. So same thing, as you can see, stretch, fill proportionally, fit proportionally, center, stretch, and the likes. So and we have lock, and you can see here we have the extract content. You can also extract your content. So you can you see, you can also extract your content, or maybe you want to select the content inside, where you can use your mouse to adjust it manually from inside. So and also you can edit it from here, as you can see. Then maybe after you have finished your adjustments, then you can finish. So the other step is going to your object, then you can power clip here. So then you see place inside. So same thing here, so you place it inside. Sorry, I supposed to have clicked on this. Then objects, power clip, place inside this frame. So as you can see now, same thing. Then you can go back to your object, but this seems somewhat stressful, but depends. So if you feel like this was you like most, so you can actually go for this, or maybe use your mouse. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for subsequent updates. Thanks for watching.